Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to set portrait and landscape orientation in the same Microsoft Word. The function of landscape and portrait in Microsoft Word is to set the page orientation. Portrait, vertical, is used for tall documents, such as reports or long texts, while landscape, horizontal, is suitable for wide content, such as large tables or graphs. This feature helps adjust the appearance of the document according to your needs. For example, we will make page 1 as landscape and position 2 as portrait. Because here the page is already portrait. So I will change the page to landscape. So how to set portrait and landscape orientation in the same Microsoft Word? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Started right away. Firstly, block text on page 2. And then tab the Layout menu above the screen. Next tab the arrow in the Layout menu. Then the Page Setup menu will appear. Here there are Landscape and Portrait menu options. Select Landscape. Then in Apply To. Change to selected text. Then tab OK. Page 2 is changed to Landscape. This is a tutorial to change the position of landscape and portrait. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.